Hi everyone, this is Queen Dan, Toronto real estate agent. Happy New Year first. With 2022 now in our rearview mirror, I think it's fair to say 2022 is a year many of us won't forget. It was a year that started with cladding housing prices reaching the highest level ever. Inflation hit to 40-year high over the summer, and the Bank of Canada stepped in with 400 basis points of tightening over 7 consecutive rate hikes. Today, I'd like to share with you 2022 real estate market here in Newmarket in GTA. Also, I compiled the forecast from several institutions to give us some idea of what 2023 Canadian real estate market will hold in store. Let's get into it. (2022) Newmarket average home price come to per unit 1.2 million. This is the record highest price we ever see in the history. If we take a closer look into the monthly data, we will see the average home price peaked at 1.4 million per unit in February 2022, and since then started to pull back. The average home price came to 1.05 per unit at end of 2022. Come to sales, 2022 total 1,135 units were sold in Newmarket. It's the lowest sale in recent 20 years. It's close to the 3 sales bottoms happened in 2001, 2008, and 2018. We know 2022 rate hikes hurt people's affordability to buy a house, which may explain why the sales decreased 40% than 2021. And we notice the price rising is slowing down in 2022. The average home price in 2022 increased 10% comparing with prior year. And the home price in 2021 increased 24% comparing with 2020. Which tells us the market is cooling down. Where are we? The December average price 1.05 per unit is a bottom in 2022, but still 25% higher than pre-COVID-19 time. I know people will ask, are we bottom up? I don't know. I don't have any crystal ball to know what exactly will unfold in 2023, but I believe the expert forecast can give us some hint. So here are the forecasts from several institutions. Canadian Real Estate Association forecast 2023 home price go flat with 0.2% annual increase. Although the home price has fallen from their peaks, while the issue of not enough homes for sale has not gone away. The Royal LePage forecasted 2023 house price go down by -1%. They expect year-over-year comparisons to show progressively less price decline as the year goes on, with small week-to-week improvements in the third and fourth quarters, allowing cladding home values to end 2023 essentially flat to where we are today. RE/MAX forecasted 2023 house price go down -3.3%, while TD forecasted house price go down -10.7%. Their forecast calls for average prices to only partially retrace their pre-pandemic gain when they eventually bottom. Yesterday's provincial housing market outlook from TD, they comment, home sales and prices should find their bottom this year. RBC forecast 2023 house price go down by negative 8.5%. And Finch Rating forecast 2023 national Canadian home price go down by 5 to 7 negative %. Please note the forecast above is on the national level. Newmarket might present some different features in 2023. I believe there are reasons to be optimistic looking ahead in 2023, particularly now that the Bank of Canada is nearing the end of this rate hike cycle and may even be there already. Last, let's talk about what the seller and buyer need to pay attention in 2023. For seller, I think sellers should be prepared as early as possible for their listings so they can take seasonal advantages. Spring activity gets more robust in recent years. Before COVID-19 in 2020, May and June are most of the time the best season for sale. But nowadays, the good months starts as early as February. I studied 26 years of historical transaction data in Newmarket, and I found there are 3 best seasonal chances for listings in 1 year. The first is February to March, and the second is May to June, and the third is September, October. The seller needs these best selling seasons to catch the most customers. So it totally makes sense to prepare as early as possible if you plan to sell your homes. To buyers, 2023 will be a good year for buyers to find nice deals. 2023 will be a good year for buyers since the market slowed down and the bidding war almost disappeared. I will suggest the buyers pay more attention to prepare their mortgage financial stuff, and also they need to follow up the inventories. We know that inventories here is still running low, and the new listings will be less than in 2021. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I will continue to follow Newmarket local real estate market and share with you on a regular basis on this channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.